Hi, I'm Chris Ross with Chasm. One of the cool new features of Locera 2.0 is our 3D maps built with Unity. With this functionality, we have the ability to get all of our transponder data over here, still see the history between the dates that we want to, and all that. We now include the area management, the image management, and that transponder history all in one page. So that's a big step up from version 1. Here we also have the ability to add an area, give it a name, choose the type, and set that area on the map. We can also edit and delete areas where we want to, and change their color or their name or anything like that. We have the ability to stack our geofences now, which is one of the big inspirations for the 3D maps for version 2.0. Now that transponders can move on a vertical axis, we can track where they are between different shelves and things like that. We also have the admin panel here that can be disabled for users. So if you have a user role, you will not see this panel, so you cannot manipulate any of this data. We also have the ability to set an active boundary. So if we have thousands of transponders, say, on the screen, and we don't need all that data at a time because it's pulling too much and it's a little bit too hard on our system, we can just select just a small area if we want to move around the map like that, and we don't hit our system a little bit too hard. For right now, we don't need it. Here we have the settings panel, and we can play with the camera sensitivity and the speed and all that kind of stuff to set it where we need it. We can turn labels on and off and set them in specific directions if we want to. All that stuff is there to play around with if you want. And the last thing I want to show you is our new image management system. If you are an admin here, we can go in and we can upload a floor plan to the maps. As you can see, the floor plan here was uploaded with this upload image button. We can crop the image to the physical space here, give it a name, and send it off to the database. And everything will update on top of that map. So that's our 3D maps and some of the cool new features with Locera 2.0. To learn more about all the new features of this new release, check out locera.io.